What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have a vent adapter that we got from Amazon. Now if you get something like this from, well, actually something like this is actually hard to get from Lowe's and Home Depot. Home Depot, they have it, but this thing is $40 on Home Depot. So with that being said, that is crazy. Now on the site, on Amazon site, this was silver, but when it got delivered here, of course, it came in black. When I got this, it was used for $10, brand new is $17.99. I'm experimenting right now. I might take the adhesive off because it's going to be on a hot grill. They said this thing is also galvanized steel and basically is resist corrosion and extreme temperatures. It don't say what temperatures, but it just says extreme temperatures. I think this is mainly for like the dryer, because from what I read, it's basically saying bathroom fans, range hoods, and it says tumble dryers. Yeah, like I said, this is used, but it don't seem used because nobody took the adhesive off. So maybe somebody just returned it and they marked it as used. But you see right here, I could take the adhesive off. Okay, there y'all go. So right here, you can take the adhesive off without a problem. So I might just actually scrape the adhesive because I don't trust the foam on this grill. If I have any other questions about this takeoff 4-inch, let me know. Like I said, it came in black. I don't know if they put that for the corrosion reasons or whatnot. But me, I am going to spray paint this silver because I want my pipes and stuff to be silver. So I'm gonna put that like that. I got other extensions that I want to do, so I could extend it more if I want to. We're just having fun. We're just doing a different design than everybody else have. If you like that review, please leave a like. I got more stuff coming, so if you want to see more stuff with the ugly drum, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you guys, so basically what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna put it on top. It's not gonna be under this hole right here, but I'm just doing an example of what I'm gonna do, and that's about it. Like, comment, and subscribe.